Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be testing 4 free AI tools that can help boost your productivity for your daily tasks and work. So, let's get started.
1. Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer is a graphic design app that helps you create professional quality social media posts, invitations, digital postcards, graphics, and more. This free AI tool from Microsoft is just like Canva, but you can generate your design just from text or prompts by explaining the details about the design you want to make, like an Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, and others. Now, let's try to create an Instagram post about a yoga class. All you need to do is type your prompt and click the Generate button. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate until you find a design that you like. You can use the generated design, or you can customize it by clicking the Customize Design button. The Microsoft AI also provides some design ideas on the right side. On the left side, you will find a template menu if you are interested in changing your design. You can also change the photo, text, font, or other components easily. After everything is set, click the Download button to save your design. Choose the file format, make sure the Remove Watermark option is checked, and click the Download button to save your Instagram photo. If you already have a photo or image and want to add some design to it, you can upload it by clicking the Add Image button. In this example, we will ask the Microsoft AI to make a YouTube thumbnail design about AI tools from our photo. Don't forget to change the image size to match our needs. Microsoft Designer AI can also help us to generate captions, hashtags, and post our image to our social media account. To use this feature, click the Download button and select the Try It button, describe what you want to make, select the goal type, and click the Generate button. Make sure you have already connected your social media account by clicking the Manage Profile button. The Microsoft AI will provide you with some caption and hashtag options. Select the best one, or you can regenerate if needed. You can also add more related hashtags that were generated by AI. Click the Review button to review your final caption, and click the Publish button to publish your post. 2. Gamma AI. Gamma is a new medium for presenting ideas, powered by AI. It allows you to create beautiful, engaging content with none of the formatting and design work. To start using this AI tool, click the New with AI button and select the Guided option. Next, choose your content type. In this example, we will choose a presentation. Now, type in your topic on any language you want. This AI tool will generate some outlines, and you can manually add or edit them with your own ideas. After that, click the Continue button to start generating your presentation. While waiting for the process to complete, you can choose or change the presentation theme. After it's finished, click Continue to get the final result. You can change the theme if you don't like it. After finished checking, you can share your presentation or directly present it by clicking the Present button. To export to a PDF file, click the Share button, select Export, and click the Export to PDF button. 3. TinyWow. TinyWow is 100% free to use, with no pesky registration required. This tool is like an all-in-one tool, and you can use so many different AI tools for free, like PDF AI tools, image, writing, and AI video tools. In this tutorial, we will try 2 tools. Now, let's start with the PDF translator. Upload your PDF file and select the output language. Then click the Translate button to start the translation process. You can download the results by clicking the Download button. Now let's try the Audio to Text tool. You can access it from the Video menu and select the Audio to Text option. Upload your video file, and after this AI tool finishes processing, you can download the result by clicking the Download button. There are so many AI tools they have, so you have to try them yourself. 4. Piggy AI. Piggy AI is an incredibly interactive and easy-to-use app. It allows its users to not only explore a wide range of content but also to create and share it. This AI tool runs better on mobile devices, but in this example, we will use the desktop version. You can easily create quizzes, social media stories, or summarize articles. In this example, we will try to summarize an article from Google's blog and convert it into a shareable image or video. To start, click the Summarize button and enter the article or article URL. Then click the Go button to start generating the content.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video.
Bye.